type of test items requires students to blend, coalesce, combine, fuse, or integrate ideas or concepts. So this be letter A, application. Letter B, evaluation. Letter C, synthesis. Or letter D, analysis. What do you think is the right choice for these items? Tumpak ng choice po natin dito, of course, would be letter C, synthesis. And this, of course, is part of Bloom's revised taxonomy na hindi po nawawala sa ating licensure examination for teachers sa professional education. No? So you remember, from the bottom, we have the lowest level. Okay? So ibig sabihin, simple recall lamang ito, remembering. No? So knowledge level, simple recall, identify, name, list, ganyan lamang, no? Yung ating remembering. Then we go to understanding. Kapag sinabi po nating understanding, the second level, ay na-define mo na yung isang term using your own words. No? Hindi ka lamang nagmemorya, kumbaga, no? Napaparaphrase mo na siya, nakukumpara mo na yung mga bagay-bagay, yung mga konsepto. Applying, of course, no, kung ano yung mga natutunan natin sa ating klase, ay nagagamit natin in a similar situation. That is applying. No? Now we go to analysis. Paghihimay-himay, okay? So breaking down information into its different components. No? Then you have evaluating, you are judging, defending, critiquing. No? So these are giving value judgments. No? These are the things that we do dyan sa ating evaluating. You say creating, you are putting together the different parts to make a new whole. Dapat bago yung ating pong nakikreate.